guys, what's up? What's popping? I know I haven't been here in a while, but I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you what's in my laptop bag. And just to brief you up a bit, I usually use two types of bags. One is my sling bag, which I use on the daily, if I'm just running some errands or going around with friends, like within Bandra, that's where I stay. But if I'm going out, to the movies, I'm going for like a more an event where I would like have to dress up a little bit more, then I would use like a shoulder bag. This is one of the shoulder bags that I own, and yeah, that's what I basically keep shifting between these two kinds of bags. But what I've been doing so far, like at least for the past 3-4 years, is I've been using a laptop sleeve for my laptop, which is just that one sleeve and nothing else fits in there apart from my laptop. And that's when I never thought that I would need a proper full-fledged laptop bag. I thought, it's something only people going for work needed and shit like that. But I am like I'm a freelancer, so sometimes I do need to take my laptop out around the city, and I don't only work at home on my laptop. So recently a brand called Zook approached me and they asked me if I would review their bag. And I was kind of skeptical at first because I was like, do I need something like that? But it's been a week since I've had this bag and I've been using it around, and yes, I did really need something like this because see, when I carry my laptop and all of the other things I need in this bag, it's pretty big, so I can actually fit everything in one bag, so I don't have to carry my laptop in one hand and then there's another bag with all my essentials and all. So this is super useful. So anyway, now that I'm done with the introduction, which was really long, I'm sorry about that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's inside. So first things first, of course, there's my laptop, which if you look at this really sleek bag, you wouldn't even think that I would have a very sticker filled laptop, but yes, I do. So after my laptop, I have the laptop charger, which I still can't figure how to wrap it around neatly because it's always like this. If you have any suggestions, just comment them down below because dude, like what? This is messy and I'm not usually this messy, so suggestions are welcome. Next thing inside is my iPad, which again I do require for work. There's like a pencil up here, so I use it for graphics, and then I use it if I have to like edit stuff on my iPad because it's touchscreen, so it's slightly easier and more fun compared to the laptop. Then we have my iPad charger, which is slightly neater compared to the laptop charger. But the more now that the inside is like empty, I want to get to the more essential part of this bag, which has like a little thing here. What is this? Compartment? Yeah, a little compartment here where I have like this compartment. The things inside keep changing as in per my needs. So if I want like to go around and I don't need the entire laptop, I don't need my laptop and my iPad, then I just transfer these things at the front compartment into my sling bag. So these things are like always moving places. So first I have my little card thingy. What is it? Card case, I guess. Yeah. Then I have some cash and more cash. I have my earphones, something I can like not live without. Then I have this really cool Batman perfume from Zara, and it does look kiddish, but the smell is so good. Like, do check this out if you get a chance. And I have a pen, always require one, and in times like these it's really not great to borrow a pen from someone, so always carry your own pen. What else? Then I have my car keys, and I have an extra hair tie. One is like this, one is a scrunchie. And I have an extra mask in case I misplace mine. I do not want to spend 200 rupees on a fine, but yeah. And lastly, I have like this lip balm from Color Bar. It's like a tinted one in red. So yeah, anyway, that was all I have in my laptop bag. I hope you like this video. If you are looking to purchase this bag, which is from Zoo, it's this one is the jet black shade, if I'm not mistaken. I will link it down below. Do check out their website because they have some other really cool bags. They have wallets, they have handbags, and all of them are cruelty free and they're made in India, so what's not to like about it, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've liked this video and subscribed to my channel, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.